my gosh, today we're going to do this game. It's kind of a calculator. So first we want to enter our first name. So I'm just going to enter 23. The second number is 23. And my operation is I want it to be multiply. And the answer is 989. So in this video, we're going to do this game. Let's go to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here and say scratch.mit.edu. Okay, and it will come over here, but I'm just going to click create. So first, how going to, so if you want to change the character or the background, you can. So I'm just going to change it real quick. So as you can see here, I have already changed the character. So I'm just going to change the name, calculator, and and I'm just going to go to events because if we click that when the green flag clicked, we're going to ask enter number one. Enter number one. Now we have this particular thingy, and I'm just going to make a 4 variables. So we click here, go to variable, and click make a variable, and just say here number one or number one, and also for number two. And I'm going to say operation like minus times of this, and also result. Results is something like that, yeah. And don't forget to link it to all of it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set number 1 to answer, because it's going to ask the question, okay? And then we're going to bring this answer, and we're going to use it like as a number 1. Now we're going to make it like a duplicate, okay? And enter number 2, and I'm just going to change this real quick, number 2. So because we want number 1 and number 2, this is our variable. Now we're going to ask enter operation, I'm going to ask enter operation, okay? And we're going to set to operation, okay, to answer. Yes, we're going to bring the times like this, and we're going to use it to our answer. Now we're going but if else, so that now if else, we're going to bring it like this. So if else, we're going to put here an equal, okay, because so we're going to bring an equal to, we're going to bring this operation, okay, to plus. If it's like plus, the operation is plus, okay. If the operation is plus, we're going to set result, okay, because we want the result. So we're going to set result to plus, because we want the plus thingy. So now we're going to go like plus, okay. Okay, and then we're going to plus what? Number 1. Okay, we're going to plus number 1 with number 2. And we're going to get if else this one. Again, like this. But we're going to change this to minus, because if it's minus, we do minus. Okay. So I'm just going to change this. I'm going to put it here. Now I'm just going to duplicate again. I'm going to put it inside, okay, and this one is inside also. So it's like this. This one is inside the else, okay. Now we're going to see a result number minus, and I'm just going to if it's times, okay, I'm just going to remove this and bring the time. Number 2 and number 1. Now I'm just not going to duplicate again for divide. I'm just going to set result to number 1 divided by number 2. Okay. So set result to, we're going to divide it, right? And then divided by what? So we're going to divide it by number 1. Number 1 and number 2. After that, after we set result, what do? We just don't say the answer. You have to say, right? So we want to go look and say the result. Okay? and that's it. Okay, so if you want to add another character, you can add. Okay, I'm just going to add I want some character to move because we want to do something with it. Maybe this butterfly. Okay, no, this one. Okay, and then okay, sorry. So I want something and maybe this one. Okay, maybe this one, but I'm just going to change the size like 80. Okay. Okay. So here I want to move him while they are answering, to make it more interesting. So how do you do that? We first need to go to verify clip, and then I'm just going to repeat it like 20 times. Alright, 20 times. Okay, and now I'm just going to change the customer because it have three customers. Three customers. So I'm just going to go like this, and first we have to wait because it will do so fast. So maybe wait for 5 seconds. Okay, and next custom. It's going to see here in the locks, and I'm going to duplicate it 2 times and put it here. So, and that's it. So let's test it. Okay. Number 1, maybe I want to say 12. Number 2 is 32. See, it's walking, the dog. Okay. 32. Operation maybe plus 44. Okay, it works. So yeah. But I hope you watched the video, and don't forget to share the video with family and friends. See you next time.